Hi guys, Crash Dummy 556 here. And today I'm going to show you how to build a 2 by 2 door in the floor. Uh, yeah. So first of all, you'll need to dig a hole like this. Yeah. Here is 4 and 3. 4 by 3 here is one section, and then you dig uh, like 8 8 by 6, and then another uh 3 by 4 section here. So yeah, that's it. I already did that. And yeah, now find the middle of it. It should be 3 blocks from this edge, and like 5 blocks from this edge. So like y- uh, 4 5 and 1 2 3. So this is the middle part. So you have to play. So first of all, before even digging the hole, this is how the door is going to open. It's going to open into here. You see, like this. So yeah, you have to take that into account before even starting to build it. But yeah, basically place pistons right here and place 2 pistons alongside of it. Then place your desired block on it. Also place your blocks here and place blocks here in the back of the pistons. Then take your repeaters and put it on the back here and set them to a 4 tick delay. Put redstone behind it and then connect the redstone to here on both sides. And you have to do this also on uh, all of the pistons. So it connects to here. And the repeaters, and we are almost done. All we have to do is connect these redstone lines, and we can place a couple of now we're going to place the repeaters later, because first we have to find like where it's we're going to have the connection to. So I guess like we can take this and put a lever here or something. You can make it hidden. This is a very good design for hidden bases. You see here there is no line here, so you have to take this and put a repeater here, which I think is still going to work normally, but it's better safe than sorry, guys. So yeah. And now all we have to do is cover it all up with the dirt. So this won't take a long time. I'm just going to quickly do that. Make sure not to cover this part, because then the door won't work. But it's very easy to not mess up. So yeah, if you're a smart individual. Um, and then yeah, basically you can also put stuff here, so for additional hiddenness, so it looks more clean. And then you just click the lever, and boom, there is no entrance. And you click again, boom, entrance. You can make it like this, so you guys can see. You see there is no void, there is void. No void, void. Yeah. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, press like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.